You're watching Appalachian Axeworks on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another budget-friendly knife video. And what I got for you today is a Marbles exhibition grade trapper. And it is model number MR682 in this fancy collector's edition box. Alrighty. That's a pretty cool knife. Really like it. Like the checkered. You got the bone, brown bone, checkered, and I like that because it kind of reminds me of like a real fine shotgun or a fine hunting rifle. It's really nice. I like that nice pattern there. And you got a nickel silver bolsters and pins. You got brass liners. You got this little bullet shield, and I guess that's probably nickel silver also. Just a nice looking knife overall. Got a lanyard hole, so pretty cool. It's got a nice look to it, and you know, wiped it down before the video, and it just popped out and nice and shiny. Good looking knife, and you know, you can see the fit and finish is good. It's real tight all the way around. Blades center up good. Just nice. Just a nice looking knife. Let's see. There you go. Got the clip point blade. This knife is just over 6 3/4 inches open length. 440 stainless steel blade. Pretty nice. We'll take a look at the spay point. Pretty nice looking knife. Wow. Really like it. Be a nice, nice for a trapper. Nice design for a trapper. Got that nice swoop in the blade there. Nice snap. Got the half stops. Nice little pop there. Nice. Nice looking knife. Close length is 3 3/4 inches, so this is a nice size pocket knife. If you don't like the real big knives and you like to carry in your pocket, this is not a bad size. You want a knife that's under 4 inches if you're trying to carry it in your pocket, I think, personally. And anything over that, I think it's better in a sheath on your belt, but that's just my personal opinion. You got the one detail, you got the match strike pulls in there. Really nice. Nice looking knife. Like this. And you can see here, I got some more to take a look at. I don't know if I'm going to do individual videos or we might do a conglomeration video with the other 4. So I got 5 of them all together. And I like it. Smoky Mountain's got this on sale right now for $17.53. Amazon did not have this, and I'm sure there's some other people out there on the interwebs that has this on sale. But there you have it, guys. Beautiful knife. Really like it. And glad I bought that one, and I would buy it again. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to check out some of our vintage items, links are in the description below. Amazon store links in the description below, and we will see you on the next budget-friendly knife video. Thanks for watching.